This is the first of 3 examples to try on your own. Please pause the video, find the domain and range of the graph, and press play when you're ready to see the answer. For this graph, you'll notice that the domain starts at -3, and it is a closed circle. So I'm going to go -3, write my inequality symbol, and write an underline because it is a closed circle. And the domain goes forever to the right since we have an arrow at the other end, so we can write infinity. We write x in between, and we use just a regular less than symbol since we cannot actually reach infinity. For the range, notice the graph goes all the way down to 0 in 2 different places. That's okay. That just means that 0 is the lowest value on the graph. The graph goes forever up, so we write infinity for our highest y value, and our y values are in between. We underline the 0 since it actually equals 0, and for the infinity, we do not underline it because you cannot reach infinity. You'll also see the domain listed as x is greater than or equal to -3, since all of your x values start at -3 and get bigger. And your y values are bigger than or equal to 0, since your y values start at 0 and go up. Go ahead and write the domain and range for this graph, pausing the video, and press play when you're ready to see the answer. For this graph, notice that the graph goes forever to the left and forever to the right. That means we can write the domain as all real numbers using the r with the second line through it. Or if you wanted to, you could write -infinity to infinity. Your range goes forever down and forever up. So again, you can write all real numbers, or you can write -infinity to infinity with the y value in between and not underlining either of the inequality symbols. Here's the last example for you to try on your own. Please pause the video, work it out, and press play when you're ready to see the answer. For this one, notice that the x values go all the way over to -3, and then they go to the right all the way over to 0, because that is an x value of 0. Your x values are in between. Since this is a open circle on the left, we use a less than symbol. Since it's a closed circle on the right, we use an underline, less than or equal to. Our range goes down to -2 and goes all the way up to 4. We write y in between, and since -2 is an open circle, we use a regular less than symbol with no underline, and since the 4 is a closed circle, we use a less than or equal to symbol.